Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Plug in or ensure strong Wi-Fi, because stability matters for video. Install the chosen iPhone camera app and its desktop driver so OBS can see the feed. Once installed, grant camera and mic permissions on the iPhone and open the app. On the PC, confirm the driver is running. You do this now because a discovered source is required before configuring OBS, and permissions prevent black screens or no audio. Once OBS is running, add a new source. Pick video capture device for USB/direct drivers or NDI source if using network streaming. Select the iPhone app or driver as the device, then choose resolution and frame rate that match your phone to avoid scaling artifacts. After that, position and crop the feed in the canvas, and use audio properties to pick the phone microphone if desired. Make sure to enable buffering or set latency options if you notice stuttering when you move. Finish by locking the source and arranging scenes for overlays and transitions, then run a short recording or local stream to confirm color, framing, and latency. If you need stability, switch to USB tethering or move to 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and consider lowering resolution if CPU or network limits cause dropped frames. If the phone disappears, restart the phone app and OBS, reinstall the desktop driver, and check firewall or cable connections. These quick steps resolve most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.